everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to activate HDFC Debit Card. To activate your HDFC Debit Card, you can simply visit any HDFC Bank ATM and insert your debit card and follow the instructions. You can also call HDFC Bank's customer service helpline and follow the instructions provided by the automated system, or speak with a representative to activate your debit card, or you can log into your HDFC online banking account. So we are going to activate our debit card through online banking, so let's go ahead and get started. Launch open a web browser and in the URL box type in hdfcbank.com and press enter. Once you end up in the official website for HDFC Bank, from the main home page, mouse over to this login option at the top right and click on Net Banking. Now, log into your HDFC Bank account. Go ahead and enter your customer ID or your user ID associated with your online banking account. If you don't remember the customer ID, you can get help by clicking on the Forgot Customer ID link. Once you are done with typing in the credentials, click Continue. Now it'll prompt you to enter your password or your IPIN. If you don't remember the password or your IPIN, click on this Forgot Password/IPIN option and follow the instructions. After filling in the credentials correct, click on Login, and once you are logged into your online banking account, look for an option to activate your card. Navigate to the debit card section and follow through the instructions provided to complete the activation process. You might also need to follow a specific instruction or documentation along the debit card activation process, so make sure you have them as well. And that is how you should be able to activating your HDFC Bank's debit card online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.